Hey, what's up, guys? We're doing Topps Chrome Formula One Hobby Box. Excited for the Monaco Grand Prix coming up. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Pack number one. All right, Sergio Perez, Montoya, Max Verstappen sprint winner, Fernando Alonso, award winner Max Verstappen. Nice. That's a good one there.
I like it.
Lewis Hamilton, I was just saying, I don't pull enough Lewis Hamilton cards, so I need some more.
He just said for 10 minutes he doesn't get them.
Yuki Tsunoda on the purple and green insert. I'll take that. And another Yuki Tsunoda on the camber. Nice.
Was that the guy who went to Red Bull?
Yes. Logan Sargent, F2. Martin Senna, Antonelli, great card, having a great year. He's an F1 now. Definitely take that. F3 driver, Magnussen. Something purple.
It's pretty. Nope. What's the number?
122 out of 225. Oscar Piastri, baby. Nice.
Very cool.
Yes!
This guy's kicking ass this year. And Lance Stroll, my most hated driver.
It is what it is. Yeah.
Awesome.
The favorite and a hate.
F3, Sergio. Number 33 out of 50, nice. Definitely take that. F3 driver and our insert, Victor Martins, nice. This is my first numbered on this insert, so it's good to get Albon on there out of 50. Logan Sargent, Michael Schumacher Legends, F2 driver, F3 driver. There's another Lewis Hamilton, nice.
Cool card.
Ooh, we got an auto. And it's numbered 40 out of 50.
I think so.
I don't know who this guy is. I'm trying to figure it out. Futuro.
Let's turn it around. Who's on there?
Zane Maloney, there we go. Nice. We'll take it. Still a little early to see what he's doing, but we'll take it. F3 and Ocon on the insert. Nice. David Legends, Gasly, Max Verstappen award winner, great card. Yuki Tsunoda, F3, F3. Oh, we got another numbered purple, 65 out of 75. F2 Zane Maloney, we got his purple and his autograph. There we go.
Baloney box.
And a Yuki Tsunoda on the insert. Nice. F3. Cabrera F2. F3. F2. Too much F2 and F3. Come on. Purple and green. Nice. Red Bull Racing. We'll take that one. Recharged insert, Yuki Tsunoda. F2. Come on, too much F2 and F3 in these boxes. Gasly, F1. F3. Max Verstappen, nice. Sergio Perez.
Oh, something good.
We got 12 out of 199. Looks like a Ricciardo, however you want to say his name. He's awesome. One of my favorite drivers. And George Russell on the insert. Nice. Not bad. F2. Charles Leclerc. I need more Charles Leclerc cards. I don't have enough. I don't even think I have a numbered card of him yet, so I'd like some more. F2. Oscar Piastri, nice. Bottas. This guy. Oh, we got got a gold and purple. Max Verstappen. Beautiful. And Max Verstappen helmet insert. Nice.
Helmet cards are my favorite. I love those helmet cards.
F3. Lando.
Excellent.
F3. Perez. There we go. Another Leclerc. Another Oscar. Oscar cards are hot right now. Finally, pole position. Lewis Hamilton. Nice.
Beautiful.
And Nico Hulkenberg.
I like the recharge cards. That's your second one. I like the art.
Aaron F2. F3. Dino F3. Lando. Nice. Grand Prix driver of the day. Ollie Behrman. Arden Senna. Numbered card, Charles Leclerc. I was just requesting this. 86 out of 99. Nice. This is my first numbered Leclerc card. Keeping it all day. Beautiful. And Lance Stroll. Boo. No! Alright, F3. F3. Max Verstappen pole position. Nice. Kush, F2. Mansell. Just pulled his auto out of another box the other day. F2. Got some sparkly F3. Future Star. Here we go. We got the camber finally at Max Verstappen. Awesome. These are hard to get. There's usually only one per box, but we got two in this box. That's cool. F3. Alonso. Basically a legend. Joe Guanyu. F3. Bortoleto. He's in F1 now. F3. F2. And nice. Oscar Piastri and the Speed Demons. Sweet. That was Topps Chrome F1 Hobby Box, guys. I think we got some good ones out of there. We got this Red Bull Racing colored card, multiple number cards. We got a Max Verstappen helmet. We got a Lewis Hamilton pole position. We got an Oscar Piastri Speed Demons, Max Verstappen camber, multiple Max Verstappens. We have this Oscar Piastri on the pink out of 122 to 225. For all you Albon fans out there, Albon's freaking awesome. 33 out of 50. And our auto, let me know in the comments, guys. I don't know anything about F2. I don't know if Zane Maloney's any good, so definitely let me know what you guys think about this card right here. I also got a numbered version of him in this pink. No idea if he's any good. Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, that's it. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.